Guys, I know you're here for the cooking cop and babe, but stick with me on this one. Just in time for Thanksgiving, we're going to do some barbecue style turkey thighs in the Ninja Foodi coming up. And welcome back to the cooking cop and babe. I'm the cooking cop. I'm babe. I cook for the cop. Nah, let's see. I'll just tell you, I don't make a good looking babe, but I could probably beat Josh in the looks department. Anyway, guys, you may be wondering why you tuned in to the cooking cop and babe and you see my beautiful mug up on your screen. Well, listen, the cooking cop, Josh, is not feeling all that well and is probably not going to be able to make some videos on his own for a while. So what's going to happen, me and a few of our YouTube buddies, the YouTube cooking family, we're going to chip in and do some videos as guest hosts to the cooking cop and babe. All right, so what we're doing here today is I know they have a Ninja Foodi, and you wonder how I know they have a Ninja Foodi. Well, I gave it to them, so I know they have it. So we're going to do big old turkey thighs. We used a barbecue seasoning on them, and we're gonna put them in and air fry them or air crisp them in the Ninja Foodi. I have the 8-quart, they have the 6.5 quart. These will fit in both, okay? So knowing that they have the Ninja Foodi, click this playlist up here. You can check out their other Foodi videos. And I know they're good because I've, helped them through all of them because, I'm a Ninja Foodi master, right? Guys, I know this is a little different, but stick to the end, get the watch time in, like and subscribe, click the thumbs up, comment down below, all that other stuff you guys do for YouTube videos. Share this out on your social media. It's getting to be Thanksgiving time. That's why we're doing the turkey parts. So we're doing the turkey thighs. It's not a big deal. Let me take you back to last night. This is where I always do this with my turkey, and I dry brine it. Now, dry brining is kind of like an oxymoron, but it's basically just salting the meat so it releases some of the moisture and then lets it draw the seasoning and the salt back in. Cover it with kosher salt. I added the Q honey heat rub and then the Calypso kick. That way we have a little sweet heat going on. Guys, we'll put a link down below to Q. And then what we did after we had this seasoned is we let it sit in the refrigerator overnight, let it kind of dry out, and then absorb the flavors back in. So there's gonna be tons of flavor in this. You won't have to inject it. You won't have to do nothing with it, okay? So let's get over to the Ninja Foodi station, otherwise known as my kitchen island, and let's get the show on the road, all right? Come on back. Air fryer basket in there. We have our 2 turkey thighs. We got it on. We're gonna do, where's it at? Air crisp at 390. We're gonna go 20 minutes, hit start. Okay, y'all, we went 11 minutes, so it is what it is. We're gonna take our thermometer here, put it into a pretty thick part. We're at 79, 67. Yeah, we still got some time to go. I actually think this might take more than the 20 minutes, but we're gonna finish off the last 9 minutes that are still showing on this round. We'll check the temps again. The skin's getting pretty crispy. You're getting a lot of pullback on it. So at some point I may turn these around so the bottom's getting the heat, but it's still looking pretty dang good. That's a good looking bark right there on that skin. Nice. All right, come on back. We're getting a little too brown on the skin. So I want to turn these around and let some of the heat hit the underside. So you get a look at the big one in there. Let them get some of the concentrated heat from the fan on top, the heating element. That one's gonna take a little bit longer. We're gonna do it every 5 minutes now. And then, we'll keep an eye on it. All right, guys, the first 20 minutes is up. Got some good color on the bottom here. We're still not quite where we wanna be. Yeah. So I'm gonna go another 10 minutes, all right? So again, the instructions will be down below, but air crisp, 30 minutes, should be good to go. Pull it out at 165, 170, let it rest. So I'm gonna set this up for another 10 minutes, and by the time you come back, we'll be done. All right, guys. Let's turn this on. Yes, we are where we need to be. All right, cool. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these out, let it rest for a second. Come on over here, we'll take the taste test. All right, guys, we're done. Took a little longer than we had thought it would, but that's okay. These were some big old thighs. Took a little bit of time, and you know, that skin crisped it up real nice. The rub we used on there made it look very, very tasty. Now I'm gonna cut into one of these bad boys, give it a try for you. Listen, I don't do this because I want to. I do it for you guys. All right. Whew, still steaming, still steaming. It's all right. Good flavor, good color. Oh yeah. Oh, you know that is tasty. You know I got it with a little bit of that skin in there now. Let's take a bite. Man, you know that's good. Man, that's good. Anyway, guys, like I said, I'm the first of many guest hosts on the Cooking Cop and Babe channel. Guys, prayers to Josh. You know, I love your brother. Got a lot of people praying for you, making you well again. You know, if you ever need anything, I'm here for you, brother. Guys, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the Cooking Cop and Babe. Show your support. Put the prayers in the comments down below. Blow this video up for them. Josh deserves it. Good dude, good cop, serves society. Bethany's a sweetheart too. Make this one grow for them, okay? That's it for this one, guys. I appreciate you guys stopping by to the Cooking Cop and Babe. But as always, thank you for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.